I came in at 2 and now I'm at 10.
Hey guys, my name is Vincent Federa. We're here at Salon Federa. I'm here with my buddy Philip Ring.
Hey, how's it going?
He's also known as Phil Does Hair on social media. Today, we're going to show you how we're going to change Phil's life.
I'm super excited. That's so cool. I came in here with short hair, now look at that. I'm Fabio. So what's the next step?
Now we're gonna cut it and give you some actual style.
I'm excited. I've never seen myself with long hair.
You look amazing.
Isn't this insane?
Wow. How does it feel?
This is like game changing. There's nothing like this.
Enjoy it.
Yes. This is awesome. Thank you guys so much.